Hey guys, it's Moguni here and welcome to my channel. So in my last video, I showed you how I made some personalized mask on a fabric, colored it. So today I thought why not share the tutorial of making personalized masks. So today I have with me two tutorials of personalized mask. One cut out from a printed fabric and made into a mask, and another cut out from a normal fabric and then decorated with some paints and other stuff. So are you ready? Then what are we waiting for? Let's get started.
So first we take a printed fabric and fold it through the center to get a bilayer. Now place it over your face to get proper measurements. Ask someone to help you out. Now draw an outline for the mask according to your nose, eyes and cheek area. Be very careful while doing this. Next, do the same for your chin area. Again, fold the cloth into a half so that it's easy for cutting out. Now leave a 2-finger gap and draw a line parallel to the previous one to get an outline that's easier to fold and stitch. Do the same for the bottom part. Finally cut this out. Open the mask and stitch all the edges. Take a thin fabric and fold it through the center and stitch it to make strings for the mask. Make 4 such strings. Finally attach the strings to each of the 4 edges of the mask, and our mask is ready to be worn and slayed in. For this we will take a lid, place it on a white fabric, mark the outline of the lid and cut out a circle. Fold the circle following the dotted lines. Then cut the joint parts of the cloth. We will get 4 such flaps. Place 2 flaps one over the other and stitch around the circle corner, the round corner. Taking 2 such flaps, stitch them, make some strings and make borders for the mask and also strings to put inside your ears. Finally, our mask is ready. Now time for some drawing and painting. First, hold the mask with a container and make an outline for your sketch, something like this. Then place a newspaper through the center so that the color doesn't spill over the other edge. Color it. Be careful while you color. Don't use excess water or the colors will start smudging. Finally, make up the spilled portions with some white paint. Also add some detailing, and our mask is ready to be worn.
So yeah, that's it for today's video. Hope you liked it. Please let me know in the comment section below if you liked my idea, if you want to recreate this, and if you do recreate, please tag me on my Insta page so that I can get to see your creations. I will share some of the creations on my story. Also, if you like this video, please give this a huge thumbs up. Comment your feedback in the comment section below. Share it with your friends, family, near one and dear ones. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. And with that, press the bell icon so that you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. That's it. Hope to see you guys soon. Till then, stay healthy, stay happy and stay crafty. Lots of love.